A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well and studying hard. So today we will be starting with our new chapter, that is chapter 6, which is Introduction to PowerPoint 2013. So now let us start with it. A presentation software is used to display information in form of a slideshow. MS PowerPoint is a presentation tool which is part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is the most powerful and popular software for making presentations. A presentation consists of pages called slides. Each slide can contain images, text, videos, sound, and many more. It is therefore also called a multimedia presentation. These presentation is useful in a large audience by connecting it to a projector. Presentation is also used for teaching purpose and it can also be used in offices for business presentations. Now we are going to learn how to start MS PowerPoint 2013. First click the start button, then click all programs. After that click on Microsoft Office. Then click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 and a PowerPoint screen will appear. Then select blank presentation. After selecting blank presentation, a new presentation will open. Next we will learn about the components of the PPT 2013 window. First is Access Toolbar. The Access Toolbar lets we access the commands which are used frequently such as save, undo, redo and slideshow from the beginning. Second is Title Bar. The title bar is found at the top of the window. It contains the name of the presentation and the program name. At its extreme right corner are the system buttons to maximize, minimize, restore down and close. Third is ribbon. The ribbon is found below the title bar. It contains the commands needed to perform the common tasks in PowerPoint. It has many tabs, each containing several groups. Each group has a set of related commands. The ribbon display option button shows the various ways in which we can display the ribbon. Fourth is status bar. It displays information such as current slide number and number of slides in a presentation. Fifth is dialog box launcher. It is a small button found at the bottom right of some groups and is used to open a dialog box for more options related to that group. Sixth is File tab. Clicking on the File tab opens the information page or the backstage view, which has all the options such as to open, create new, save, print and close a presentation. Seventh is ruler. There are two types of rulers. One is horizontal and second is vertical. Horizontal ruler is at the top whereas vertical ruler is on the left of the current slide. Ruler is mainly used to align the text objects on the slide. Eighth is slide navigation pane. The slide navigation pane is on the left side of the window. It allows you to view all the slides in the presentation. We can add, delete, duplicate and rearrange slides in the pane. The selected slide appears in the slide pane on the right. Ninth is slide pane. The selected slide is displayed here. We can edit the selected slide in this pane. 10th is place holder. It is a dotted rectangular box on a slide that holds text, images and many more. 11th is view buttons. We can view the presentation in the four following ways. Normal view. It is default view. This view shows the slide navigation pane and the selected slide. Slide sorter displays thumbnails of all of the slides in the presentation. Reading view hides all editing tools and makes it easier to review the slides. Slideshow view will display the slides one by one on the screen. Next is zoom controller. Let's learn how to zoom a presentation. Click and drag the slider to use the zoom controller. The number increases to the right and shows the zoom percentage. You can also select the fit slide to current window button present on the right of the zoom control. Now comes a scroll bar. There are two types of scroll bars. First is vertical and second is horizontal. Vertical moves through the slides whereas horizontal moves left and right of the slides. Let us learn how to create a new presentation. We will start with a blank presentation. When we make a new presentation with the blank presentation, then there are four following steps to be followed. Step 1. Select the File tab to go backstage view. Step 2. Select New in the left pane of the window. Step 3. Click on a blank presentation. A new presentation will open. Step 4. Now we can apply a theme to a presentation. For that, go to the Design tab and then select a theme. Now we will learn what is a theme and how to use a exiting theme. So, what is a theme? A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts and effects. Different themes also use different site layouts. We can choose a theme from the exiting themes. If we want, we can also choose themes from the online. So how we can use an exiting themes in the presentation? There are 5 steps to be followed. Step 1. In the File tab, click on New. Step 2. Select a theme. We can browse through the themes by clicking on the arrows on right and left. We have selected whips. Step 3. Select a color scheme from the 4 options on the right. Step 4. Select a layout by moving through the More Images option at the bottom. Step 5. Click on Create. Using our templates. A template is a pre-designed presentation you can use to create a new slideshow quickly. Since templates include custom formatting and designs, you can create a presentation in a short time. That means in Windows you will find some pre-designed presentation formats that you can use to make your slides appealing and presentable. You can even customize the color coding of your presentation. The various steps involved in this procedure are: Step 1. In the File tab, click on New. Step 2. In the suggested search, select the type of template you want. We have selected education. Step 3. Select a template from the list of templates displayed. Step 4. A preview of the template will be displayed along with some information about the template. Step 5. Click Create to use the selected template. Choosing a layout. Once you have created a new presentation, you must select a layout for it. Layout is the arrangement of text and pictures on a slide. That is, it is simply the way how your content are placed according to your desire. Each slide layout contains placeholders for text, videos, pictures, charts, shapes, clip art, a background and many more. They also contain the formatting such as theme colors, fonts and effects. You can choose a different layout for each slide if you want. The steps involved in this are: Step 1. In the Home tab, click on the drop down arrow next to Layout option. Step 2. Different type of options are available. Select a suitable layout. Inserting a new slide. In the new blank presentation, there is only one slide by default. You need to add more slides depending upon your requirement. That means when you will open PowerPoint, a default slide will appear. Either you can continue working with that, can even change it, and you can also add a new slide by following the steps given below. Step 1. In the Home tab, click on a slide icon above the new slide option. A blank slide will get inserted. Add a layout as desired. Or Step 2. Click on the arrow next to the new slide option. Step 3. Choose the desired slide layout from the menu that appears. Editing text to a slide. In order to add text on the slide, just click inside a placeholder and start typing. Editing images to a slide. You can add images to your slides to make them more colorful and interesting. The pictures can be added from the pictures saved on the computer or from the internet. Follow the given steps to insert pictures from file. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. In the Images group, click on Pictures. A new window will open. Step 3. Navigate to the location where you have saved the picture. Click on Insert button. You can also insert pictures available online by following the given steps below. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. In the Image group, click on Online Pictures. A new window will open. Step 3. In the Insert Pictures dialog box, enter the keyword to search in the text box and press Enter. Step 4. The search result will appear in the dialog box. Select the desired image or images. Step 5. Click Insert. Saving a presentation. You must always save the presentation to use it later. The various steps involved in order to save a presentation are: Step 1. Click on the File tab and save if you have saved it earlier, or Save As option if you are saving it for the first time. You can click on the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar or press Ctrl+S. Step 2. In the Save As pane on the left, select the computer option and then click on browser. Step 3. In the Save As dialog box, select the drive and folder where you want to save the presentation. Type a file name in the file name box. Step 4. In the Save As type box, PowerPoint presentation appears by default. Click on Save. Closing a presentation. In order to close a PowerPoint presentation, follow the steps below. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. In the Backstage view, click on Close option. If you have not saved the presentation earlier, you will get a message box as shown. Click on Save if you want to save the presentation. Click on Don't Save if you don't want to save it or the changes you have made. Click on Cancel if you want to go back and continue working on the presentation. Opening a presentation. If you have already created a PowerPoint presentation and saved it before, then you can open that existing presentation by following the given step below. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on Open option in the Info pane. The Open pane will open and it shows all the recently opened presentations in the right pane. You can select the one you want. Step 3. If you have not opened the presentation recently, click on Computer and browse. Step 4. In the Open dialog box, locate the file and click on Open. Starting a slideshow. Once your presentation is complete, you have to present it to the audience. Slideshow means presenting a series of slides individual on a full screen. A slideshow can be done from the beginning of slides or from the current slide. You can do a slideshow in many ways. Basically, showing the number of your slides one after another is named as slideshow. The steps to start a slideshow are: Step 1. Click the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar or press the F5 key present at the top of your keyboard. The presentation appears in full screen mode. Step 2. You can click the Slideshow button from the View buttons in the status bar to begin a presentation from the current slide. Step 3. Click the Slideshow tab on the ribbon. You can select the from current slide or select from beginning option in the Start Slideshow group. Moving through slides. Suppose you want to go through your slide to check it. Then to move to the previous slide, click the previous slide button or press the up arrow key. Or if you want to move to the next slide, click the next slide button or press the down arrow key or the spacebar on the keyboard. In order to exit the presentation, press the Exit key on your keyboard. So with this, we have completed our 6th chapter. I hope you all have understood it. So study well. Question and answers and exercises of this chapter will be uploaded on the website. Write the question and answers in your notebook and do the exercises in your textbook itself.